to my channel. My name is Little Boy and today I'm gonna share with you what is the best RGB light for filmmakers. By any means I'm telling you that you should buy this light, but this is my honest review about the Yongnuo YN360 for you. 10 all the way to 100. You're never gonna use this. That's super bright. So the first topic that we're gonna talk about is the size. It's very compact, doesn't take much space, especially for me that I'm a filmmaker on the go. As you know, I live on a cruise ship, and for me it's a plus because I keep all my equipment in my suitcase, so I need to keep everything very compact. The light is approximately 39.5 centimeters. It comes with a very nice case. You can also use a Core 20 entries on the bottom. You can put on a tripod if you need it, but if you have someone on your shoot, you can just ask them to hold, and it's very light. For the battery, it's very good because you just need the Sony NPF batteries. I personally have a bunch, so it's very convenient for me. And on the side, you're gonna be able to have a little lock. It gives me an extra safety, so I know that my battery is safe and it's not gonna fall or anything like that. And it comes with 4 buttons. It's very easy, very simple to use. One of them is the 3200K, more for an orange warm look, and the other one is 5500K. This one is more for a white cold look, like daylight. It comes also with this magnetic filter you can put over the light to bring more orange or warm tones for your scene, and if you want you can change and add or mix both of these colors together. If you put all of them to 99, definitely gonna give you more light and it's super bright. On the top right you're gonna see the battery life. If it's P9 it's because it's full, if it's P1 it's because the power is almost done. On the side you have fine and you have coarse. If you press the fine, you're gonna be able to control more precise the amount of light, and if you put coarse, you're gonna be able to jump 10 at a time. This way you can increase or decrease your light very fast if you need. As you know, this light is RGB, so you have the ability and the power to mix and create your own colors. It's very handy, especially because it comes with the app. After you download the app, it's very easy to use. You just gotta turn on your Bluetooth and your device should be able to connect. And when you open the app, you're gonna be able to see a lot of Cs because you have a lot of channels. Example, if I have 5 YN360 lights and I turn all them, I'm able to control all of them separately. You are able to change the power right there as well. You're able to turn on and off. And if you go to the side, you're gonna be able to see the color wheel. In that section you're gonna be able to pick and choose the colors that you want, but keep that in mind that the power that you're gonna get when you pick your own color is not as bright or powerful as the 200K or 5500K, and the price is only $8-9. Keep that in mind that the battery is not gonna be included, but you can get some for very cheap price. As you can see on the back, that's the light that I've been using the whole time, and I have the app right here. If I press on and off, you see it's very quick to respond. It's on the red. If I press blue, if I press green and I turn, you'll be able to pick whatever color you want. And here on the back side I can control the amount, or I can mix both of the lights together. I'm on channel 1, but now that I bring it back to red, it's not as strong. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to the light and I'm gonna turn the blue all the way down, the green all the way down, and the red all the way up. The only downside of this is because, as you can see, the power on and off is on this side. So if I wanna live in a surface, because the battery is very heavy, turn off your light. So just keep that in mind. 20, 30, 40, 50. Look at this. It's way too bright and it's only 50%. That's super bright. So that's pretty much it. Very nice investment for me. Again, doesn't mean that that's the best fit for you, but if you wanna look or learn a little bit about light, thank you very much for watching this video. Hit the notification bell so you know every single time that I post a new video. If cinematography, editing and Final Cut Pro tutorials is something that you're into, consider subscribe to this channel, leave a like and comment down below, this way you're gonna support my channel a lot. We are growing slowly but surely. Thank you very much for you that has given me all the support, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey.